Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pin your favorite group on Facebook for quick access. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should click on the menu button, tap on groups at the top and click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen next to the plus icon, and then click on pins, pin your favorite groups for quick access. That's the second option. Here you can see down below all of the groups that you have joined previously, and if you want to pin any of these, all you have to do is clicking on this pin button, and as you can see it has been added to this pinned section so that it will be the first one that appears to you. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.